Okay, as you can see, this is the McCall's pattern, the pants pattern with the elastic waist, 2 pockets, and I did this little shirt to go along with it. It's a knit top. This is what you asked for, and here are your pants, your pockets, and your waist. Do step 1, stitch front and back, 8 and 9 together at the leg. So the inner legs have been sewn together, serged and sewn, but the seams has to be pressed. But let's move on and read step. So step 2 is saying pin the crouch, matching inner leg seam, center front and center back. Stitch again 1/4 of an inch away from the previous stitching in seam allowance around here. Trim close to sucking stitches. Okay, step number 3, pin 1 pocket section 5 to front at each side, matching notches. Stitch in a 1/4 or 1/4 of an inch seam. Press seams toward pocket. Pin remaining pockets 5 to back at each matching notch. Stitch in 1/4 seam. Press seams towards the pocket. And here are your pockets. Pocket has been placed in, stitch a 1/4 of an inch on the side seam and pinned to sew around the pocket. Step 4, stitch front and back together at sides, leaving opening between large dots. Stitch pocket edges together to side seams. Clip back seam allowance above and below the pocket. Okay, the pants has been sewn from the top of the waist to the dot on the side seam, and from this dot down below. Press seams open, pressing pockets toward front along seams. Base upper edges in place. Okay, so here's your pocket. The back is the pockets are pressed towards the front, and clip the back edges of the pocket. And I have opened the seams up and basted the pocket across the front and trim the pocket. Okay, moving on to number 6. Turn upper edge of garment to fold along fold line. Turn it in 1/4 inch on raw edge. Press, baste in place. Okay, so as you can see, the elastic has been placed in and it's been threaded through the 2 sections, and the bow has been also sewn and placed on and tied. So the bow has to be sewn between 2 dots on your tie, and you also have to slip stitch your opening that you leave there to turn your tie. So the pants are completed, as you seen in the beginning of the video. It was not hard, they were easy, and if you're not familiar with working with elastic, I suggest that you take your time. I appreciate you coming, and I hope you will come again. Please remember to let the videos play as long as you can. That helps the channel's growth too. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember to hit the bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Here are the pants. Thanks for coming.